Hey friends, it is me Stace. Today we are doing our Cricut project and we are cutting out some heat transfer vinyl to apply to a tote bag. I'm already logged in to Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. At the very top you will see a search box. Type in there, "Need is my dog," and then click on enter. And the image we are using is this one right here. So I'm going to choose Add to Canvas. All right, there it is there. I'm going to right click on it and choose Ungroup and separate the pieces. I want to keep this one but not this paw print, so I'm going to delete that. Go to my left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Images. In that search box, type in the word paw and then click on enter. Then find whatever paw print you like. I'm going to choose this one right there, choose Add to Canvas. I'm going to resize it to fit inside there. I'm also going to go to my left-hand side toolbar again. I'm going to click on Shapes, and I'm going to click on the heart. And I'm going to make the heart be the same color as the text. So I'm going to change that color to be the same one. I'm going to bring this down, resize that. And that's going to fit on my paw print like that. I'm going to rotate it as well. All right, so I think that looks pretty cute. So I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to right-click and choose Group. I want to resize it. Now you'll see the very top toolbar where the size is. We have the width is 4.814 and the height is 4.947. Since the height is the larger number, I'm going to double click in that and type in 11.5. That way I can make it be as big as I'm able to. I'm going to go to my upper right hand corner and choose Make It. Now we are using HTV, which is a heat transfer vinyl, so you want to make sure you're mirroring your images. So you can see it over here. I'm going to choose Mirror. Then we have Mat 2, which is the saying for around our image. Then we have Mat 3, which is our heart. I'm going to click on Mat 3 in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the 3 circles, choose Move Object, and I'm going to move that to the other red mat. So I can bring this down here. You'll also want to make sure you're mirroring it, so make sure you have that mirror box checked in both cases, just to make sure. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue, cut this out, go to the table, and we'll put it on our tote bag. Alright friends, everything is cut out. I want to share with you my tote bag that I'm using. It came in a 3-pack from Walmart, and I'm just using the canvas color. And I did take a lint roller to that. I already went ahead and weeded out my paw print, and I'm going to do this one with you guys. So I'm going to take my weeding tool. I may fast forward this part, I'm not quite sure yet, depending on how it's going. Alright, that is all done. Now I'm going to go in and do my inside of my letters. And I have the heat press heating up to 305 degrees. Let's get the inside of that G out of there. Now that heart I'm going to cut out because I want that to go on the paw print. If I leave it there, it's going to attach. Alright. I'm stuck. Okay, make sure you get all these little pieces, if you have any, off, because they will transfer over. I think that's on the outside. Yep, okay. I'm going to take my scissors and just cut this heart out right here. Okay, so I have the heart cut out and we have the paw print cut out. Now what I want to do is flip it over to make sure everything is good. So everything looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the heat press and we will apply this to our tote bag. Alright, we are at the heat press. Now my tote bag has this ridge on top. I'm going to go ahead and lay that on the edge of my press like that so it kind of hangs off a little bit. Take my Teflon sheet and we're just going to do a quick pre-press, about 5 minutes or 5 seconds or so. Alright, I think that's pretty good. And I do have it set to medium pressure. Alright, now what I want to do is move that out of my way and have that facing me. And I want to go ahead and lay this on there to where it's straight, and just make sure you don't have nothing under that. Make sure it's straight, how I like it. Alright, so I think I'm not straight. Alright, so I have that there. Again, I'm going to move this off that edge, put this on there. I'm going to do this for about 10-15 seconds. I'm going to grab my paw print and also my heart over here, so that's ready to go. I'm not sure if I said it or not, I'm using medium pressure. Alright, so swing that out of the way, get this down. This is a hot or a cold peel, so actually I'm going to go a little bit longer. I can see it was coming up a little bit. I'm just going to increase my pressure a little bit. Just a few more seconds. You don't want to go too long or too hot because you can risk burning the vinyl. Alright, much better. Alrighty, we got that one done. Now, I'm going to again, oops, I think I have something right there. Okay, let's grab our paw print. Again, make sure you don't have anything on that transfer tape because it will transfer over. I'm going to do this one first and then I'll do my heart after. So again, I'm going to swing it off so that part hangs off the press. Put this on there and we'll do it for not quite the full 12 seconds because I don't want to burn the vinyl I already have there. I could have cut it all out and did it all at one time. And that was about 12 seconds. Let's see how we do here. Okay, I actually like that a lot. Alright, now lastly we're going to do our little heart on top. Just like that. And this time I'm going to go about 10 seconds, just to make sure everything's nicely adhered to my tote bag. Then we'll go back to the table and we'll have a look at it. Alrighty. Take this off there. Take this one off. It actually looks really nice. What do you think? It's really hot right now, but it looks really nice. Alright, I'm going to let it cool off and take you guys to the table and we'll have a look at it. Alright friends, we are done with our cutting of our heat transfer vinyl as well as adhering it down to our tote bag using the heat press. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's adorable. A little tip for you, whenever you're applying heat transfer vinyl, you want to be able to see some of the texture of whatever material you're using, in this case it's canvas, under your vinyl. And I can see that in all the letters. That lets me know it's on there nicely. I can even see it under my paw print. But how cute is that, right? Just do a simple little tote bag, carry around with you, put groceries in it or books in it, carry it to the library. You can also resize this design if you want to and put it on a mug using vinyl. All kinds of things you can do on a book, on a journal, on your computer. In this case, I used it for a tote bag. All right, there you have it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.